What's up? Today I'm gonna start a new series where I'm making my keycaps into things. Today we're doing the control key as the first thing, and you tell me what I do next. Also, this will be a long form, but the next will be short. Right now what I'm doing is just coloring in everything white, so it is easier to see what I draw, but I have already sanded it down and stuff. Okay, of course. Did I say that this is inspired by J Half Art? If I didn't, here's his channel. Go subscribe to him too. Here I just got a paper because I spilled the marker on the back on this thing I was painting on, so I got a paper so that wouldn't happen again. Yeah. Here I'm just practicing making controllers. Yeah, so because controller's gonna be a controller if I didn't say that. Now I'm finally gonna paint the controller, so yeah, enjoy watching that. After this, I don't really know what I do, so I'll just cut it out. It's just like 10 minutes maybe, no, 5 minutes, I don't know. It's a while of me just absolutely doing nothing. Probably getting the controllers that I used for show, maybe, I don't know. So it was in fact not like that long, it was a very short time, and I was just getting markers, and now I'm doing nothing here. Oh, I was talking about using purple, and how my controllers can, or one of them are purple and the other one can light any color, so it can also be purple. And now I'm just coloring in a controller as practice for purple, yeah, to see how it looks. The reason why the resolution here is so bad is because my phone went out of storage, so I spent so long deleting a lot of videos and pictures that I had no use for. It was like 380 of them, and then yeah, for some reason my phone just went way worse. Yeah, still the same camera and stuff. Holy app, but here I'm just showing you the end result, which is also bad because of the color, but I used some CapCut thing. I almost just dropped my phone, and then I'm showing you the end result here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will probably choose what to do next. Bye.